In this video, I'll show you what to do if the WhatsApp Plus subscription option is not showing in your WhatsApp settings. First, open the Play Store and search for WhatsApp. If you see an update button, go ahead and update the app to the latest version. Once the update is complete, go back to your home screen and long press on the WhatsApp app icon. Tap the app info icon to open the app settings. From here, tap on Storage. Then tap Clear Cache. You can also tap Clear Storage if needed. After that, go back and tap Force Stop, then Confirm. Next, make sure your internet connection is working properly. If you're having network issues, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now open WhatsApp again and refresh the app a few times by closing and reopening it. Then go to Settings and check whether the WhatsApp Plus subscription option appears. Keep in mind that this feature is being rolled out gradually. If you still don't see it, wait for the next WhatsApp update and check again after 24 hours. Also, if WhatsApp Plus is a subscription-based feature, you may need to have an active subscription before related premium features become available in the app. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.